Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to log in to your easyJet account. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type easyjet.com and hit on enter right now. Now this is the home page of easyJet. You can look for your flight info, holidays, cars, transfers and everything. But for now, we want to log in. So right here at the navbar, you will find something like sign in. Simply click on it. Now you need to enter your email address and your password. And after everything is done, you have the option to click on this checkbox that says keep me signed in. And there's another case where you can click on this button called forgotten your details. By clicking on this, you can gain access to your account once more in case you have forgotten your details. If everything is okay, simply click on the sign in button right here and you will be able to log into your easyJet account. In case you do not have an account, simply click on this button that says create account, follow the prompts and create yourself a new easyJet account. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how you log in to your easyJet account. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.